name is Vidyadeep.
My school name is Vidyadeep Vidyalaya and I am learning in 9th standard.
We are talking about regularity in studies.
Hi. Why don't you study regularly, my dear? It will help you a lot.
How will it be helpful to me?
Regularly studying will boost your confidence and you make confident.
Yes, you are right. If you are confident, you can do anything in life.
Absolutely right. Regularity in studies you make a confidence. And what you do love and love what you do regarding studies will help you to achieve your success and help you to feel happy.
That's true. Now onwards, I will definitely study in regularly.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Hi, I am I am learning in 9th standard. My school name is Vidyadeep Vidyalaya.
Hi, I am Asanas. I am learning in 9th standard. My school name is Vidyalaya.
Today we are going to discuss about.
Importance of mobile in our day-to-day life.
I think mobile plays extremely important role in our day-to-day life,
Yes, I agree with you. It's a good source of information and entertainment.
and it is useful to receive and send messages from anywhere, anytime.
It saves lot of data and we can also use a camera.
Absolutely right. We can use it to send and receive our mails.
We can also replace it with our personal computer.
You are right.